Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be reviewing the Brainway app, an app designed to boost productivity and track habits. Let's dive right in. So Brainway app helps you track your focus, productivity, mood and more, allowing you to find patterns in your habits and optimizing your routines for peak performance. With features like customizable metrics and daily logging, Brainway helps you measure how your habit impact your day-to-day performance. For pricing, Brainway offers two subscription plans, 29.99 per month or 59.99 per month, which is about 4.99 sorry per year, which is about 4.99 per month. So this app was recently updated with bugs fixes and more, and the latest version I think was uh, released on February 2025. So users have praised Brainway for reducing procrastination, though some have noted challenges with its interface and subscription management. And to let me quickly show you this one. It has a 3.4 rating on App Store, and like I think there's no rating on Google Play Store, but it's certainly popular in here. So overall, Brainway is a solid app for productivity enthusiasts. If you're looking to optimize your daily routine, it's worth checking out. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.